guys, we're back with another side, and we're going to have something to go with that good brisket that Phil's cooked today. And today we're going to do a potato-zucchini-tomato bake. And it's a very colorful dish. We're going to use red potatoes, yellow onions, Roma tomatoes, and zucchini, mixed in with a Italian blend cheese with about 6 different cheeses in it. So it should be good. I've had it before, but I've never made it before. And we're going to try this. I think it's going to be great. So I'll be back in a minute and we'll start sauteing the onions. Okay, I've sliced up the 2 yellow onions in half and then sliced them. And we're sauteing them now in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And you'll saute those until they're translucent. Okay, be back as soon as we get these done. Onions where we want them. A minute just before I put the 2 cloves of minced garlic in here and let it cook for another minute. And now we've got it just like we want it. And we're going to transfer this and put it at the bottom of the baking dish. And that's the foundation of the casserole. Put all that good stuff in there. Okay, and spread it evenly. Okay. And we are going to put our potatoes, zucchini, and tomatoes, and I've already cut them, for time's sake. And you just make 1 layer of each of these vegetables. Put them out. I'm using red potatoes, but you can use any kind of potatoes. You could probably use those Yukon Gold or any potatoes you have, really, but I just think this makes for a better presentation. And I've used probably 5, 6 of these potatoes, which is fine. And then we'll put the zucchini to feed. But this makes a pretty big full casserole. Now we're going to layer the Roma tomatoes. I like to use these because they're firm and they're very flavorful, just the right size. Alright, we've got everything layered, the potatoes, the zucchini, the Roma tomatoes. Now we're going to just sprinkle a combination of the kosher salt and pepper. Just sprinkle that over everything. Okay, and then we're going to put the thyme, fresh thyme leaves, and just sprinkle that throughout.
Pardon me, ma'am, do you have the time?
You'll have the time to eat this, I'm sure. So, and now we're going to just drizzle approximately a tablespoon of olive oil over the rest of this. Liberal, however you want to do that. And then I'm going to put a combination of these Italian cheeses. It's a combination of mozzarella, provolone, Asiago, Parmesan, Romano, and Fontino cheeses. So whatever, you can find close to that, or if you prefer a certain cheese, I'm sure it would be fine. But I'm just going to sprinkle this pretty liberally over this. And that's probably enough, just about almost all day, but not quite. And then we're going to cover this with foil. Bake it for 1 hour at 375. Then remove the foil and bake another 15 minutes. And just keep an eye on it and see how your cheese looks and bubbling, maybe brown just a tad. And we'll see what we've got. Okay, we are going to pop this casserole into a preheated 375-degree oven for 1 hour. We'll check it, then take the foil off, cook it for 15 more minutes, and we'll see what we've got. to take out. That's potato, zucchini,
Oh
tomato
man, look
bake.
at it. Look at that.
With all the cheeses melted in. We'll let that set a while.
Yum, yum, yum.
Smells amazing.
Let's try this tomato. What you call this tomato stuff?
Potato, zucchini, tomato bake.
Mmm. Let's go in for a taste of that.
Too much for you.
Yeah,
Remember,
let's just try
just
it.
eat it.
Oh my gosh. You need to try that recipe. Janet's Sides, try that one.